This well-preserved pillow is 43 centimeters long and 15.5 centimeters high. It was produced by the Ding king, one of the 5 most famous porcelain kings in the Song dynasty, which ruled China from 960 until 1279. The item's starting price was about 8 million yuan, and it received more than 60 bids. The auction was finally won by a buyer from southwest China's Guizhou province with a bid of 280 million yuan. With a commission included, the final price was about 316 million yuan, almost $51 million.
This steam porcelain pillow was sold at highest ever price for a single piece of art at any auction in Macau. It was also the highest price anywhere in the world for a piece of Ding porcelain.
We hope this can encourage Chinese entrepreneurs and other Chinese people to buy back our cultural relics from abroad, making a contribution to the development of our cultural industry.
The buyer said that the pillow will be preserved and exhibited in Guizhou province. Liang Hong, CCTV.